Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023. The first question. According to the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI's report Road Safety in India, Navigating Through Nuances released in August 2023, the road accidents claim around lives in India every year. Options are A. 2.5 million, B. 2.1 million, C. 1.2 million, D. 1.5 million, E. 1.7 million. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 1.5 million. Next question. In July 2023, the India Meteorological Department, IMD, launched the heat index on an experimental basis. Which color code is used for the experimental heat index greater than 55 degrees Celsius? Options are A. Yellow, B. Red, C. Orange, D. Green, E. Black. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Red. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in August 2C, signed an MoU with the National Hydroelectric Power Commission, NHPC, to provide aids and assistive devices to 1,000 Divyangajans, persons with disabilities. Options are A. Mahika Medical Private Limited, B. Koenig Conveyors Private Limited, C. Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, D. Prasaditi Medical Equipments Limited, E. Osa India Private Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. Next question. Name the bank that has recently, in August 2C, partnered with Kiwi to launch Credit on Unified Payment Interface, UPI, on RuPay credit cards. Options are A. Yes Bank, B. Axis Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. HDFC Bank, E. IndusInd Bank. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Axis Bank. Next question. Which state government has recently, in August 2C, signed an MoU with the United States, US-based International Battery Company, IBC, to set up a recyclable lithium-ion battery manufacturing unit with an investment of 8,000 crore? Options are A. Jharkhand, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha, E. Gujarat. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Karnataka. Next question. In August 2023, the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, ACC, approved a one-year extension for Cabinet Secretary Dash, who became the longest-serving Cabinet Secretary in India. Options are A. Rajendra Singh Yadav, B. Prabhat Kumar, C. Rajiv Gauba, D. Naresh Chandra, E. Ajit Kumar Seth. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Rajiv Gauba. Next question. Societe Generale has recently, in July 2C, bought shares of Dash Bank for 382 crore through open market transactions. Options are A. IDFC First Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. Bandhan Bank, E. Axis Bank. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Bandhan Bank. Next question. Which country has recently, in August 2C, delivered the air-launched Spike Non-Line of Sight (NLOS) anti-tank guided missiles ATGM to Indian Air Force (IAF)? Options are A. France, B. Japan, C. Russia, D. Iran, E. Israel. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Israel. Next question. Which sports society/school has recently, in August 2C, signed and more with the All India Football Federation (AIFF) to promote and elevate youth football in India? Options are A. Bhaichung Bhutia Football School, B. Subroto Mukherjee Sports Education Society, C. Major Dhyan Chand Sports School, D. G.T. Goenka International School, E. Sahwag Sports Society. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Subroto Mukherjee Sports Education Society. Next question. Which state government has recently, in August 2C, announced a plan to launch a new project titled Shubh Yatra to provide financial support to first-time overseas emigrants? Options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Telangana, E. Andhra Pradesh. Time starts now. And the answer is Kerala. Next question. International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Species Survival Commission (SSC) has recently, in August 2C, signed and more with the Wildlife Trust of India (WTI) to set up the first ever regional center for species survival (CSS) in India. This will be the CSS in the world and the first in South Asia. Options are A. 10th, B. 12th, C. 5th, D. 4th, E. 7th. Time starts now. And the answer is A. 10th. Next question. Which organization has recently, in August 2C, collaborated with the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board (PNGRB) to develop a roadmap for hydrogen transmission in natural gas (NG) pipelines and city gas distribution (CGD) networks? Options are A. United Nations Development Programme, B. Asian Development Bank, C. World Bank, D. United Nations Environment Programme, E. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Time starts now. And the answer is C. World Bank. Next question. Which country has recently, in August 2C, signed and MoUs with the Indian Embassy to undertake 4 high-impact community development projects? Options are A. Bangladesh, B. Nepal, C. Bhutan, D. Sri Lanka. A. Maldives. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Nepal. Next question. Which state has recently, in August 2C, received 1974.07 crore funding from the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RIDF, for 2023-24? Options are A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat, E. Odisha. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Rajasthan. Next question. Name the company that has recently, in August 2C, signed a contract with the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, for the sale of crude oil from the Mumbai region in Maharashtra. Options are A. Oil India Limited, B. GAIL India Limited, C. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, D. National Mineral Development Corporation, E. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited.